Dear students, welcome once again to the online class of EVS. You know that we have seen first part of the chapter. This is second part of the same chapter. We are learning the fourth chapter of EVS, that is the story of Amrita. In first part we have seen summary. In summary we have seen many important points. We have covered all the things whichever are in the chapter. Do you remember what is the name of the girl? Yes, that is Amrita, and this is the story of her village. So after this we will see one very important paragraph from the same chapter. So now at your screen, on your screen, you will see the chapter number 4, the story of Amrita. This is the first paragraph of the chapter. So students, now listen carefully and look at the screen. This is a true story from long ago, almost 300 years ago, in a village called Khejadli lived Amrita. Khejadli village is near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. So you will see, in summary we have seen that Amrita lives in Khejadli, and Khejadli village is where? That is near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. The village got its name because of the many khejadi trees that grew there. So see here, you will see there what is the speciality of that place? That is, in that village there are many trees found. The name of the trees are khejadi. That's why that village got the name Khejadli. Next paragraph. The people of this village took great care of the plants, trees and animals. Goats, deer, hares and peacocks roamed fearlessly there. You will see there are many birds and animals which were very fearless there. Then the people of the village remembered what their elders used to tell them. Now this line is very important for us. People of the village remembered what their elders used to tell them. They used to say, अगर पेड़ है तो हम है. Plants and animals can survive without us, but we cannot survive without them. So students, this line is very important for us. You will read it again with me. अगर पेड़ है, yes, plants and animals can survive without us, but we cannot survive without them. Very nice. So this was the first paragraph of the chapter. We have seen some important points of the chapter. After this, before moving further, we will see some important topics of the chapter, and that is, see the next picture. See here, what can you see? Yes, certainly it is map of India. Now see this picture and see this picture. What is difference between them? Yes, one is only outline of India, this one, and second one, there are many states shown in the map. Yes, so students, do you remember in class 3rd we have seen what is the map? See, map is the rough sketch of the place. What is map? Map is the rough sketch of the place. Okay, so map is rough sketch of place which helps us to show the landmarks, to find our ways. So maps are very important. We have seen here map of India. You will see we are discussing about one state, that is in chapter. Which is that state? Which is that state? Yes, that is Rajasthan. Now try to find Rajasthan here in this map. Yes, you can see Rajasthan here. Rajasthan is also one of the biggest state of India. Then moving ahead. See here, you will see some states. This is the map of which state? Yes, this is the map of Goa. Goa is the smallest state of India. Then you will see here many states of India. You will say on the top of the map there is Jammu Kashmir, then Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan. Then many states are there shown in the map. But one state is highlighted in red color. Which is that one? Yes, that is Rajasthan. So in this chapter we will see Rajasthan. So you have to carefully observe where is the location of that state. Then moving ahead. See here. This is also one map and this is also one of the states of India. Okay, now tell me what is the name of this state? Yes, that is Maharashtra. Now you will see this is one of the states of India. You will say there are some locations shown in the map. Here is West Bengal. These were the different states of India. So as we are discussing about the chapter, we will see there was a line we had read already that Khejadli village is near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. So this is the map of Rajasthan. Now you have to find Jodhpur. Yes, Jodhpur is here in the center of Rajasthan. Okay, so this is Jodhpur. In this way, you can locate the places using the maps. There we have seen many types of maps. Many states we have seen, as this is Rajasthan, this is West Bengal. Which is this one? Yes, this is Maharashtra. Now everyone knows that we are in Kendriya Vidyalaya AFS Ozhar school. So you will say Ozhar. Where is Ozhar located? Yes, it is in Nasik district. You have to find out Nasik district in this map. Yes, Nasik district is here shown in the map. In this way, we can find many places, districts and states in the maps. Moving ahead, we will see further points. Now students, observe this carefully. On the top of the picture, you will see there is a map of India that is small in size. But in that map of India, there is one state that is highlighted in black color. Which is that one? Yes, that is Maharashtra. Now come to the blue map. So there is map of Maharashtra and one district is shown different color in different color. Which is that one? That is Nashik. So in this way, wherever we are or whatever the place we have to find, we can find it using maps. Okay students, we will go ahead. Now observe this. So now we have seen different types of maps. This is also a kind of maps, but it has a separate name. It has different name. It is called as globe. What is it called? Yes, it is called as globe. Here also you can see globe. Observe it carefully. Now we have seen what is map. So we will repeat again. Map is the rough sketch of place, but globe is different in shape. So what is globe? Yes, globe is round object with a map of world on it. What? We will repeat again. Round object with a map of world on it. जिसे हम हिंदी में कह सकते हैं पृथ्वी का मानचित्र. So in this way we have seen maps and globe. This is the picture of globe. You can see there are many countries on the world. See here, this is also a map of one place. Who can tell me which is this place? See here, in the middle of the map there is written, that is Ojhar. In the top of the left side you can see Kendriya Vidyalaya Air Force Station, that is our school. So we can locate many places in the map. See there, that is in green, that is road, and to the left side of the road, that is Kendriya Vidyalaya Air Force Station, Ojhar. In this way, students, we have seen many important points of this chapter. We will take once again a look on it. First of all, we have seen that the first paragraph of the chapter. Yes. Then we have seen different types of maps, states, its locations, then we have seen globe, we have seen definition of globe, then how to find place, we have seen that. In this way, students, we have completed part 2 of this lesson. So I will send third part of the lesson. So till then you have to use this video very carefully and learn it.